A very short story. The Two Pots. It was a cyclonic season. There was a flood everywhere. Many houses drowned in the flood. There was a copper pot and an earthen pot in a house. Both these were washed away in the flood to a river. The copper pot laughed at the earthen pot and said, "My friend, you are made of mud. You are so weak, you will need my help to save yourself." The earthen pot replied, "Thank you for your advice, but let me swim to the bank of river by myself." The earthen pot began to swim towards the bank of the river, but as the copper pot tried to swim, water got filled into the pot and the copper pot drowned. But the earthen pot reached the bank. Moral: weakness is not in appearance.